everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kirby Raganet. I'm BS in Math 1B. Today I will going to learn to how to solve about arithmetic means. Let's go.
Yun guys, ang ating arithmetic means. Ang ating arithmetic means is insert the indicate numbers of arithmetic means. And ito na ating arithmetic guys is number 1, 6 to 22. Then ang ating formula is an equals e sub 1 plus n minus 1 and d. And para makasolve tayo ng ganito guys is gamitin natin itong formula na to. Use the formula. And then substitute the values lang. Substitute lang natin. Ito, 22, dyan natin kinuha. And equals 6, dyan natin kinuha. And plus 5 minus 1d natin. And 22 equals 6 plus 4d. Dahil na 4 sila is 5 minus 1, 4. Then 22 minus 6 minus 4d. I-change sign lang natin. Change sign. And 16 equals 4d. And over 4. Then 4 equals d, and ang lalabas is 5. In equals 5. Then now start from the 6 and keep adding for the common difference. Add lang natin 6 and 6 plus 4, dyan natin kinuha. 4 equals 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14. And 14 plus 4 equals 18. 18 plus 4 equals 22. Kaya ang answer natin is 10, 14, and 18. Diyan. Ang ating final answer is 6, 10, 14, 18, 22. And yan ang ating final answer. And sana makatulong.